Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be doing Gigi Hadid's makeup look. I'm not really into the mood to explain everything in detail for now. I'm in the mood just to create and listen to music. That's why today's tutorial is going to be with a voiceover. If you're interested, please stay tuned and let's get started.
I will get started with my Wet n Wild eyeshadow base, place it on top of my lid and blend out with a finger. Then I want to set the whole lid with this rosy color. Oh, it's so pretty. It looks like glass or, I don't know, some china. And then on top, I'm using a combination of colors. And first, I used a flat brush. We're going to focus this in the outer corner of my lid to create a shape, as Gigi Hadid has, with a little bit different small crease brush. I'm placing and packing the lid with color. So I'm going to stop right before the crease, maybe even lower than the crease, and create a shape. And in the inner corner, I still don't really want to use a lot of the shade, just the tiniest bit to make sure that we're going to add a little bit more rosy color right at the end. So then I use my beige eyeshadow palette as well, and then with a little bit different pinky sparkly color, placing this in the inner corner. I'll top it off with the first color we used today. A little bit darker shade rosy color goes over my lower lid. And with a little bit different brush, diffuse and blend everything out. And then in the inner corner, I'm blending a combination of the previous rosy shade that we used to set the lid and a mix of glitter. We don't really need a lot of sparkle. And of course, one of the toppest things for this makeup look, as Gigi Hadid wore, it's silver lining, but I don't really have the same liner, so I had to mix both of Huda Beauty and Givenchy eyeliners and create a shape. I'm going to start with a thick line on top and then create a triangle, and then as a thin line, bring this up to my brows. And for my lower part, I'm going to do pretty much similar thing, but a little bit thinner version. And with black eye pencil, I'm making sure that I have a thick line, but nothing extreme, and I'm not doing an outer corner wing, smudging with the brush and coating lashes with mascara. For my lips, that is going to be a really soft combination of colors, peachy color, and on top, I'm using the same shade from the same brand, Eveline lip pencil. Then with a little bit different Hon D, this is a lipstick and a lip gloss all at once. I'm adding a couple of dots here and there and blend everything with a brush. Every single step is blended with a brush. And of course, on top, I'm going to use Essence Shine 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 lip gloss. You can skip this step and use just some regular lipstick or leave it like that. I wanted to add a little bit extra, and I guess it's really similar to something Gigi wore on this picture.
Okay guys, and this is the final result of Gigi Hadid's makeup look. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to do today's tutorial like I usually do with a voice. I decided that I'm going to be doing this with a voiceover, and yeah, this is probably the final result. Whatever I wanted to get from, let's say, universe, and whatever I was hoping for, it didn't happen for me. And I don't want to start crying. It's nothing bad. Thank God everyone is healthy and everything is fine. It's just something that I was waiting for and it didn't happen. Story of my life. Because if a universe tried to teach me something, well, there's no indications that I passed or I suck at this lesson. Okay, it's absolutely not related to the video. It's just mainly, I had red eye, I want to cry. That's why I started doing makeup, so I won't cry, not to ruin my makeup. And I'm going to be doing this with a voiceover. So today, yeah, is one of the worst days in this year. I guess this is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed today's small tutorial of Gigi Hadid's makeup look, and I hope you will give it a try, guys. Love you all so much. Bye bye.